HP docking stations sometimes fail to recognize USB devices due to driver problems, faulty USB ports, or power delivery issues. This can be frustrating, but often easily fixed. Common causes include driver problems, faulty USB ports, and power delivery issues. As of 2026, updated drivers and diagnostic tools have improved the situation, but knowing how to troubleshoot is still crucial. We'll cover driver updates, port diagnostics, and power solutions. Outdated or corrupted drivers are a common cause of USB device recognition issues in HP docking stations. Use the HP Support Assistant app to scan for driver updates specific to your dock and operating system, such as Windows 11/12 or macOS Sonoma. The HP Support Assistant app can resolve this issue about 70% of the time by scanning for USB enumeration errors and recommending reinstalls. Reinstalling drivers ensures compatibility and fixes enumeration errors. Always reboot after updating drivers to allow the changes to take effect. If driver updates don't resolve the USB recognition issue, the problem may lie with the USB port itself. Physical damage, corrosion, or faults can disrupt connections. Use HP's dock diagnostics tool to test port integrity. This tool identifies faulty pins or short circuits in the USB ports. The tool scans for issues like pin damage or electrical shorts that prevent proper device recognition. Physical damage or corrosion can cause recognition failures. Corrosion builds up over time, blocking connections. Clean the ports with compressed air to remove dust and debris that may interfere with connections. Understanding USB pinouts can help diagnose specific faults, such as in Type-C connectors. USB wiring schematics show how data and power lines connect, helping identify wiring issues. If a port consistently fails diagnostics, replacing the dock under warranty may be necessary for a permanent fix. Insufficient power can also cause USB devices to go unrecognized. Ensure the dock is powered directly from a wall outlet, not just the laptop. Check that the power adapter is correctly rated for the dock. Enhanced Power Delivery (PD) chips in newer docks help prevent undervoltage. If overheating is a concern, especially with older docks, HP may offer a recall or replacement program. Follow a systematic approach to troubleshooting USB recognition issues with your HP docking station. Step 1. Start with the easiest solutions first, by updating your device drivers. Step 2. Move to hardware checks, including port diagnostics to identify faulty connections. Step 3. Finally, investigate power-related issues that may affect device recognition. For advanced troubleshooting, use tools like USB-to-View to access enumeration logs and detailed device information. Remember to test one fix at a time to properly isolate and identify the root cause of the problem. For advanced compatibility issues, updating your laptop's BIOS can often resolve problems with the docking station. BIOS updates improve hardware communication and fix known bugs that affect USB recognition. As a workaround for power delivery issues, using a powered USB hub connected to the dock can provide stable additional power to your USB devices. This external power source ensures devices receive sufficient energy for proper recognition. HP is increasingly using AI in its support tools. The AI assistant can predict issues based on usage patterns and proactively suggest fixes. This AI-driven approach follows a systematic process including data collection, analysis, model building, deployment, and continuous improvement. Future trends include universal compatibility across platforms and eco-friendly designs that reduce overheating. By 2030, most issues may be resolved via over-the-air updates, allowing firmware fixes without user intervention.